Hi, all. Very happy morning to each and everyone. I hope the audio is clear and there are no buffering issues. We have already discussed factors session number one. Factors session number one we discussed. We will continue with factors session number two. Kindly reply if the audio is clear. I hope there are no buffering issues. Just for a minute, we will check whether the audio it is perfectly clear. Then we will get into the class. I hope the audio is clear and there are no buffering issues. There are no buffering issues. Kindly, everyone, kindly reply in case if you are facing any issues, sir. Let me check once, then I will start the class. Very interesting class. Factors and multiples is an extremely important topic from the main topic number system. After this, I will take CAT level factors and multiples class that will complete the factors and multiples class. Today evening, there will be a special class for Telugu medium students also. Let me check if everything it is clear. Just 1 minute, let me check if the audio is clear and there are no buffering issues. There are no buffering issues. Just 1 minute, sir. Once I get an acknowledgement that everything is clear, then we will start the class. Just 1 minute. I hope everything it is clear. Let me, if the audio is clear, there are no buffering issues. Right. There are no buffering issues. Just 1 minute. Right. Once I right, everything is clear. We can start the class. Right. Number system, factors and multiples. What we are going to discuss today, which all concepts that we are going to discuss today, we will see it. Please write down, sir. Please write down which all topics that we are going to discuss today. What are you going to learn from today's class? In today's class, you are going to learn some of the factors, some of the factors. You are going to learn some of the factors. Then you are going to learn some of the factors which are multiples of k and some of the factors which are not multiples of k. These are the topics that you are going to discuss. Then you are going to discuss product of factors. Very important. Product of factors. In product of factors, again two more varieties you are going to discuss, that is product of factors which are multiples of k and product of factors which are not multiples of k. Product of factors which are not multiples of k. Then you are going to discuss some of the reciprocal of the factors. Some very important concepts. Some of the reciprocal of the factors you are going to discuss. Some of the reciprocal of the factors. These first concept. Here two concepts are there. Here again one concept it is there. Here again two concepts are there. Here again two concepts are there. Once you understand some of the reciprocal of the factors, then we will also see what is a perfect number. What is a perfect number. Then we will see another important concept, A into B is equivalent to K. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? As a product of two factors. In that one lot of varieties are there. A into B is equivalent to K. Even into even. In how many ways can we write a number as a product of two even numbers? Even into odd. In how many ways can we write odd into odd? In how many ways can we write? In how many ways can we write it as odd into odd? Then in how many ways can we write these number as a product of two multiples of 3? In how many ways can we write these number as a product of two multiples of 3. Then we will also discuss some miscellaneous questions. Some miscellaneous questions, some problems based on whatever the concept that we discussed today, which all concepts that you are going to learn from today. Sum of the factors, how do you compute the sum of the factors? How do you compute the factors which are multiples of k? How to compute the factors which are not multiples of k? How to do the factor multiplication? How to find the product of the factors which are multiples of k? How to find the factors which are not multiples of k? How to find the reciprocal of the factors sum? How to find the reciprocal of the factor sum? In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? The two factors can be even numbers. The two factors can be, one can be an even number, another can be an odd number. The two factors can be an odd numbers. The two factors can be a multiples of 3, and we will solve right miscellaneous related questions. Please remember, factors session number 1 it is over. In case if you have not seen, in case if you have not seen session number 1, this is the continuation of session number 2. In case if you have not seen the session number 1, I would strongly recommend you to watch the session number 1 first, which is present in our Anil Nair classes YouTube channel. Then watch the session number 2, or you can go through the CAT-24 playlist. All the sessions which I am taking right are purely based on a CAT and other management examination. Of course, SSC, CGL, bank, and other few students can also learn it, because a good number of PYQ CAT related questions are coming in various state and central government related examination. Now, these are the concepts that we are going to discuss today. As most of you know that in Anil Nair classes, we do a lot of online classes. These online classes we have for Telugu medium as well as English medium students. In case if you are from Telugu medium, we have an recorded courses available for various examination related to Telugu medium. We also have English medium courses, all the quantitative aptitude and LRDI classes, whatever that will happen in an updated content, all the classes are taken by me. We offer CAT exam course, bank exam course, bank clerical course, SSC, CGL, CHSL course, placement related course, a railway related examination. IP MAT is an entrance exam that will happen after plus 2, school level max Olympiad examination, APPSC and TGPSC, all DAO, local, state level government examination we handle. In case if you want to know more about it, kindly download Anil Nair Classes app from Google Play Store. In iOS also you can download it using My Institute app, and you can give the org code ZVNAR. iOS also we are available. All the courses are available in laptop mode. You can view the videos in website web mode or in the app mode. These are some of the courses which are available. In case if you are a student who is preparing for long-term CAT 2025 course, these are complete details about the CAT related courses. CAT related courses. These what we provide as a futures of the course. In case if you do not want to miss any of the live classes, sir, I do not want to miss any of the live classes, you can subscribe to this channel, right? You can also join our WhatsApp channel QR code. WhatsApp channel QR code. This is our Instagram page, right? QR code. This is our Facebook page QR code. You can join any of this. In case if you are preparing for any of the local level entrance examination, you want to join for bank SSC, you are planning to write multiple exams, this course will be useful. It is an all-in-one course. This is a 3 months, 6 months, 12 months SSC CGL related course, right? Various courses are available with us. SSC CGL bank, right? All in one like that. Various courses are available. Kindly watch the class. In case only if you enjoy the style of teaching and you are understanding everything, Then you can go for the course. Now let us start the class. Which all concepts that we are going to discuss? Suppose there is a number 12. There is a number 12. 1 minute. There is a number 12. What are the factors of 12? Factor of 12. Factors of 12 are, factor means take all the natural number less than or equivalent to given number. It should perfectly divide 12. That means when you divide this 12 by this factor, remainder should be 0. 12 by 1. 1 12s are 12, remainder 0. 2 6 are 12, remainder 0. 3 4s are 12, remainder 0. 4 3s are 12, remainder 0. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 2. No, I will not write. 6 2s are 12, remainder 0. 7 will not divide. 8 will not perfectly divide. 9 will not perfectly divide. 10 will not perfectly divide. 11 will not divide. 12 will divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all the numbers which will perfectly divide 12. These are all the numbers which will perfectly divide 12. Now, what did we do in the previous class? We took the number 12. We wrote these number as a power of prime basis. It is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Why we wrote it? Every natural number is derived from an prime base. Every natural number is derived from an prime base. So 2 square into 3 power 1. Suppose if the question is sum of the factors. If the question is sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. What exactly we mean by sum of the factors? Add all the factors and tell me the answer. Generic method is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Add it and give the answer. There is a better way to solve. If the number value increases, factors count also will get increased. Adding all this and finding the answer is a very challenging process. So we will not use these traditional method to find the question. Now, how to find out the sum of the factors? Listen carefully, sir. How to find the sum of the factors? Once you understand these basic concept, then everything will be true. Find the sum of the factors for 12. Step number 1. The number we wrote it as a power of prime basis. What are the powers of prime basis? 2 square into 3 power 1. First prime base 2 square. Start from the power of 2. Start from 0 till whatever power of 2 that is required to get 12. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2. Then 3 power 1 is there. Start from 3 power 0. Go till whatever the power that is required. These 3 power 1. Why it will work? 2 power 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3. Now if you see, 1 ones are 1. 1 we got. 1 threes are 3. 3 is a factor of 12. 2 ones are 2, yes. 2 threes are 6, yes. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. All the factors we got. All the factors we got. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Whenever we are finding the sum of the factors, since it is 2 square into 3 power 1, start from power of 2. Start from 0 because 1 is a factor of every number. Start from 2 power 0, go to the power of 2. What is the power of 2 that is required to get 12? 2 square. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus a 2 square. What is the power of 3 to get 12? 3 power 1. Start from 3 power 0, go till 3 power 1. These 1 plus 2 plus 4, these 1 plus 3. 1 ones are 1. 1 is a factor of 12. 1 threes are 3. 3 is a factor of 12. 2 ones are 2. 2 is a factor of 12. 2 threes are 6. 6 is a factor of 12. 4 ones are 4. 4 is a factor of 12. 4 threes are 12. 12 is a factor of 12. I hope the example it is very much clear to you. If you understand this example, kindly reply with an yes, so that I will increase the right value of the number. Whenever we are finding whenever the process is like this, whenever we are finding the sum of the factors for a given number, step number one, write the number as a power of prime basis. Write the number as a power of prime basis. Take the first prime base, starting from 0 till whatever the prime base that is required. Add all the powers starting from 0 for that particular prime base. Then go to the next prime base. Keep on continuing the process. Keep on continuing the process till all the prime bases are over. Till all the prime bases are over. More and more examples will give you a lot of comfort zone for you. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Some of the factors. Next one, let me take a larger number. This example should be clear to you. Suppose if I take 360. 360. What is the first step? Write down it as power of prime basis. It is 8 into 9 into 5. 8 it is 2 cube. 8 is a composite number. 9 is 3 square. 5 is 5 power 1. 5 is 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. First write the number as a power of prime basis. Next one, sum of the factors. Sum of the factors, I will denote it as Sn from now onwards. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors, what will be the answer? First prime base, it is 2 power 3, right? Start from 2 power 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square plus a 2 cube. Next one, 3 square. 3 power 0 plus a 3 power 1 plus a 3 square. 5 power 1, it is 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1 plus 5 power 1. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Here it is till 2 power 3. So start from 0, go till 2 power 3. It is 3 square. Start from 3 power 0, go till 3 square. It is till 5 power 1. Start from 5 power 0, go till 5 power 1. Go till 5 power 1. I hope the idea it is clear. This is example. More and more examples will solve, so that everything will be very much clear to you. This is how you compute sum of the factors. Suppose if the question is 100, third example, if the question is 100, 100 is 2 square into 5 square. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Find the sum of the factors. Find the sum of the factors. Find the sum of the factors. How to determine the sum of the factors? It is still 2 square. Start from 2 power 0. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2. Again it is 5 square means 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1 plus 5 power. You can add the values and get the answer. 25 plus 5 plus 1, it is 31. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. It is 270. It is 270. I hope the idea it is clear. Example 2 we did it. Example 3 we did. Just you have to listen to the class, sir. That's all. Maximum problems we'll discuss in the class. Example 2 and example 3. Sum of the factors. Everybody kindly reply if the concept is very much clear to you. How to find the sum of the factors. How to find the sum of the factors. Next one. Next one. Listen carefully. It's a very interesting concept. Again, two examples we will do. 360 it is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 square into 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Question. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Very, very interesting concept. Listen carefully, sir. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. That means it is there are two questions in this single question. First, to find out the factors which are multiples of 12, then add them. I am repeating it. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12 means find the factors which are multiples of 12, get the answer, then add all the values. Then add all the values. There are two ways to solve the question. There are two ways to solve the question. We require a factor which is a multiple of 12. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. Any multiple, it is of the form 12k. So it is 2 square into 3 power 1 into cube. 2 square is already there. So remaining it is 2 power 1. Here 3 power 1. Another 3 power 1 will be there. Here it is 5 power 1. I am finding the factors which are multiples of 12. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 into something. 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1 into something. 2 cube. 2 square already taken out. How much is remaining? 2 power 1. Just 1 minute. How much is remaining? 2 power 1. In 3 square, 3 power 1 is taken out. How much is remaining? 3 power 1. It is 5 power 1. Totally, how many factors are there for this number? 2 into 2 into. Totally, 8 factors are there for this number. That 8 factors I will denote as 12a1, 12a2, and so on up to 12a8. I told you this is a question which consists of two sub questions. What are the two sub questions? First, to find the factors which are multiples of 12, then add them. I found out the factors which are multiples of 12. Now I am adding them. 12 into a1 plus a2 and so on up to a8. Are you all with me? So answer is 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. From where you got these factors? We got this for this number. How to do it? Till 2 power 1. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. Listen carefully, sir. 360 it is. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Any factor which is a multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. What is remaining? 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Total, how many factors are multiples of 12? 2 cases, 2 cases, 2 cases. There are 8 factors which are multiples of 12. That I am denoting it as 12a1, 12a2, 12a8. But the question is a sum, addition. So 12a1 plus 12a2 plus 12a3 and so on up to 12a8 is 12 common, a1 plus a2 and so on up to a8. These are the sum of the factors for these number. How to find out the sum of the factors? For 2 power 1, 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1, 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1, 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1, 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. I hope the idea it is clear. In case if it is not clear, let me do one more example before I discuss method 2. 360 it is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, 8 nines are 72, 72 5s are 360. First write the number as a power of prime basis. Two questions I will solve. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. How to find out the factors which are multiples of 30? 30, any number which is a multiple of 30 is written as 30k. 30k it is 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 square into 3 power 1. These are multiplied to this number, which will make the factors which are multiples of 30. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. In 2 cube it is 2 power 1. Remaining is 2 square. Here it is 3 power 1. Remaining is 3 power 1. So totally how many factors are there? 3 twos are 6 it is. Totally 6 factors are there which are multiples of 30. What are that factors? 30a1, 30a2 and so on up to 30a6. Is this idea clear? Now the question is sum of the factors. Sum of the factors means 30a1 plus 30a2 and so on up to 30a6. 30 into a1 plus a2 and so on up to a6. Till here clear? So 30 into, from where we got the sum of the factors for 2 square means 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2. 3 power 1 means 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. This is the answer. Is the idea clear? First, I did the factors which are multiples of 30. Then I added all of them. 30k. What do you mean by these 30k? I am finding the factors which are multiples of 30. Why are we doing this step? We are doing this step because we want to find the sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. We want to find the sum of the factors which are multiples of 30, right? From where we got these answer? Why 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1? Because it is for this. We are finding the sum of the factors for this number. Sum of the factors for this. Are you all with me? You don't need to do this. There is a better method. 360 it is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Directly you will get the answer. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. Two questions directly we will do it. We need the factors which are multiples of 12. 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Now see here, how am I writing the answer? Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Any multiple of 12 will be of the form 12k. That means the minimum power of 2 should be 2 square. Instead of starting from 2 power 0, start from the minimum power of 2 to get 12, 2 square plus 2 cube. If this condition is not there, I would have started from 2 power 0. Any number which is a multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. Here 12 is 3 power 1. That means minimum power of 3 to get 12 is 3 power 1. So 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. There is no restriction on 5 power 1. So it has to be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. I hope the idea it is very clear. Since the question is 12, 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. Start with the minimum power of 2 as 2 instead of starting from 2 power 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Even if you simplify this question, simplify this entire value, you will get that value only. Instead of finding the factors directly, you can write it. What is the first step? Sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. 30 it is 2 into 3 into 5. 30 it is 2 into 3 into 5. Minimum power of 2 to get 30 it is 2 power 1. So answer for this question is 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube. Instead of starting from 2 power 0, start from 2 power 1. Minimum power of 3 to get 30, it is 3 power 1. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. Minimum power of 5 to get 30 is 5 power 1. So it has to be 5 power 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12, sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. Three varieties we did it. What are the three varieties that we did till now? Right? We till now we did how to find the sum of the factors. How to find the sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Right? The k can be any natural number. In this case, we did sum of the factors which are multiples of 12, sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Now, concept, concept. Suppose if I take 12, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all the factors of 12. These are all the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. If I am doing sum of the factors, can I write it as like this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Can I write it as like this? Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12. Just rearranging the numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 12. If you observe closely, these are multiples of 3. These are multiples of 3. These are not multiples of 3. These are not multiples of 3. You can also arrange it as suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. It is 4 plus 12. These are multiples of 4. And these are not multiples of 4. So we can generalize it. Sn is sk plus sk bar. Sn is sk plus sk bar. Very, very important concept. In case if we require sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12, sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12, total sum of the factors minus sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Suppose in the question, if it is sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12, sum of the factors which are not multiples of 12, what you will do? Sn minus S12. Already we did. How to find the sum of the factors we did. How to find the sum of the factors which are multiples of 12 we did it. I hope the concept is very much clear. Extremely important. Sir. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of k. Whenever he is asking sum of the factors which are not multiples of k, it is Sn is equivalent to Sk plus Sk bar. Suppose if he is asking S30k bar, when I say bar, he is asking about sum of the factors which are not multiples of 30, which are not multiples of 30. It is sum of the factors minus sum of the factors which are multiples of 30, which are multiples of 30. Sn is equivalent to Sk plus Sk bar. Sn is equivalent to Sk plus Sk bar. Extremely important, sir. Right? Otherwise, you will just go through the basics, and if this kind of questions are asked, then you will tend to leave it. Sn is equivalent to Sk plus Sk bar. Sum of the factors we did, sum of the factors which are multiples of k we did it, sum of the factors which are not multiples of k, we did. Another important concept, sum of the reciprocal of the factors. 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 See here, same number we will take 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor of 12, 2 is a factor of 12, 3 is a factor of 12, 4 is a factor of 12, 6 is a factor of 12, 12 is a factor of 12. Reciprocal, that means 1 will become 1 by 1. Reciprocal of x is 1 by x. 2 will become 1 by 2. 3 will become 1 by 3. 4 will become 1 by 4. 6 will become 1 by 6. 12 will become 1 by 12. Sum of the reciprocal. Reciprocal, it is always 1 by 4. Reciprocal. 2, the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. Reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12. Sum is addition. Denominator LCM, it is 12. 1 12s are 12. 12 ones are 12. 2 6 are 12. 6 ones are 6. 3 4s are 12. 4 ones are 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 ones are 3. 6 2s are 12. 2 ones are 2. 12 ones are 12. It is plus 1. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. It is the sum of the factors by number. Very, very important concepts. Extremely important concept. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number. Sum of the factors by the number. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by number. Extremely important concepts. Please underline it. Sum of the factors by the number itself. If you observe by taking 12, 12 is the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. 12 is 1 by 12. So if I take the LCM, numerator I got the sum of the factors, denominator I got the number for which I found out the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by Sn by n. Sn by n. Suppose let us take a question. Find the sum of the reciprocal of factors. Find the sum of the reciprocal of factors for 144. For 144. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors for 144. What will be the approach to solve this question? 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. 2 power 4 into 3 square. 2 power 4 into 3 square. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is sum of the factors by the number itself. By the number itself. So, sum of the factors by the number. Sum of the factors by the number. 2 power 4 will be 2 power 0 to 2 power 4. 3 square will be 3 power 0 to 3 power 2 divided by 144. Whatever the answer that you get, that number is, that is the sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. In case if you are not able to see this, sentence. I will write it again. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors. I hope the idea it is clear. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors for 144. I hope the concept is clear. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by the notation Sn by n. S 144 by 144. Here you can find the value. Here you can find the value divided by 144. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by Sn by n. Sn by n. Sn by n. Some important concept. Important concept. Concept of perfect numbers. Concept of perfect numbers. Concept of perfect numbers. If sum of the reciprocal of the factors, that is, sum of the factors by the number, if the answer comes out to be 2, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called a perfect number. Sn by n, if it is 2, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called a perfect number. Suppose, for example, 12, if I take 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. So, right? If I take S12 by 12, sum of the reciprocal of the factors, sum of the reciprocal of the factors, this will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. This will be 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 divided by 12. Divided by 12. Are you all with me? Now it is 3 plus 4 plus 2, 6. If you see, 12 is given by 2 square into 3 power 1. It is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 7 into 4, 28. 12 is not a perfect number. 12 is not a perfect number. Suppose if I take 6, 6 it is 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Sum of the factors for 6 by 6. 9, 11, 12. 12 by 6. 12 by 6 is, yes, that means 6 is a perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. When do we call a number is a perfect number or not? A number is said to be a perfect number if the sum of the reciprocal of the factors value comes out to be 2. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. If the answer comes out to be 2, then it is called a perfect number. Then it is called a perfect number. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. If the answer comes out to be 2, right, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called a perfect number. A perfect number, very important concept, sir. A perfect number, a perfect number is always of the form. A perfect number is always of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. The number in the bracket, it should be a prime number. It should be a prime number. 2 power p minus 1, it should be a prime number. A perfect number is always of the form 2 power p minus 1, 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Here, if you see, for 2 power p minus 1, if this has to be prime, the number in the bracket, if this has to be prime, mandatorily P should be a prime. P should be a prime number. For 2 power P minus 1 to be prime, P should be a prime number. Any perfect number is always of the form 2 power P minus 1 into 2 power P minus 1. Suppose if I take P equivalent to 12, 2 power 1 into 2 square minus 1, 2 3s are 6. 6 is a perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. P equivalent to 3. 2 square into 7. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Any perfect number will be of this form. What is the form of this? 2 power P minus 1 into 2 power P minus 1. Here the power is P minus 1. Here it is 2 power P minus 1. Entire value of 2 power P should be subtracted with 1. Very, very important concept. Any perfect number, any perfect number is always of these form. Any perfect number is always of this form. What is the form? 2 power P minus 1 into 2 power P minus 1. In an CAT mock exam, this question was there. Sn by n is 2. 450 less than n less than 500, n value. Sn by n is 2. 450 less than n less than 500. What will be the value? Sn by n is 2. What is Sn here? Sum of the factors. What is n here? Number. Sn by n is 12. 2. That means this number is a perfect number. This number is a perfect number. This number is a perfect number. N should range from 450 to 500. P2 we have taken P3. Let me take P5. 2 power 5 minus 1, 2 power 4, 16 into 2 power 5, 32 minus 1, 31. Answer for this question is 496. A perfect number is always of the form, right? 2 power P minus 1 into 2 power P minus 1. 2 power P minus 1 into 2 power P minus 1. This question, most of the students tend to leave this question thinking that it is a difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. I hope the concept it is very much clear to you. What are the concepts that we discussed till now? Concepts that we discussed is some of the factors we discussed, some of the factors which are multiples of k we discussed, some of the factors which are not multiples of k we discussed, and some of the reciprocal of the factors we discussed. Then last concept we discussed is if the sum of the reciprocal of the factors, if it is 2, then the number is called a perfect number. What will be the form of the perfect number? 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. I hope the concept of sum of the factors, it is clear to you. Another important concept, product of the factors. Product of the factors. Please write down product of the factors. Whatever we did it in sum of the factors, similarly we will do it in product of the factors. Two examples. Case 1, case 2. Case 1. Number is a non-perfect square. Number is a non-perfect square. Case 2. Number is a perfect square. Number is a non-perfect square and the number is a perfect square. Suppose if I take 12, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What is he asking? Product of the factors he is asking. Product means we need to multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 I got power 3. 12 I got power 3. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 is the number. 3. Totally, how many factors we got? 6 factors we got. Half of them are giving the product 12. Number power, number of factors by number power, number of factors by 2. Number power, number of factors by 2. Case 1, if the number is a non-perfect square, we got the answer as n power number of factors by 2. Suppose if I take a perfect square, 25. Factors are 1, 5, 25. 1, 5, 25. Product will be 1 into 5 into 25. 1 into 5 into 25. 125s are 25. 5 can be written as 25 power half. 25 power half. Root of 25 is 5. So it is 25 power 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 25 it is the number. 3 it is the number of factors by 2. Product of the factors. Whenever he is asking the product of the factors, answer is always number power number of factors by 2. Product of the factors. This is always given by number power number of factors by 2. Number can be a perfect square, number may not be a right, not be an perfect square. If the number case 1, if it is a perfect square or if it is a non-perfect square, answer is always number power number of factors by number power number of factors by 2. Product of the factors for a number is always given by number power number of factors by number power number of factors by 2 examples it will should be clear to you. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors. As many examples if you solve, you will understand this concept thoroughly. Find the product of factors. For first question, 144. Second question, 360. Find the product of factors for right 144 and 360. 144 and 360. Listen carefully. Step number 1, solution. Whatever the natural number that is there, write the natural number as a power of prime basis. 16 into 9, it is 144. 16 nines are 144. Answer for this question is number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. So answer will be number is 144. Number of factors will be 2 power 4 means 0 to 4 5 cases, 0 to 2 3 cases. So answer for this question is 144 power 15 by 2. 144 power 15 by 2. Now answer number product of factors for 144 will be number power number of factors by 2. N power f by 2. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. Number of factors will be 0 to 4 5, 0 to 2 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 by 2. 360 will be 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Are you all with me? 2 cube into. First write the number as a power of prime basis. So answer for this question is number power, number of factors by 2. 360 power, number of factors 0234, 0223, 0212 divided by 2. Answer is 360 power 12. 360 power 12. Find the product of the factors for 360. Answer is number power, number of factors by number power, number of factors by. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Number power, number of factors by 2. Whether the number is a perfect square, whether the number is a non-perfect square. One common notation which we need to use, that is number power, number of factors by number power, number of factors by 2. I hope the idea it is very much clear. So what all the concepts we did? Sum of the factors which are multiples of k, which are not multiples of k, sum of the reciprocal of the factors, all these concepts which we discussed. Next is an little high level concept. We will take one more session and we will do it. In case if you want any of these courses, you can do it. All the concepts take time to digest. Kindly join our WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, Facebook page, and please watch this video again and again. Thanks a lot for watching this special session. With love, Anil Nair.